Hello and welcome to this video of number 10 Steggles Close, which is the detached house that you see behind me. So what we have here is a house that was originally built by Charles Church Homes. We always say that because the reputation that Charles Church had was really top of the tree, very good spec. So what we have here is a 4-bedroomed house with 2 bathrooms. You can see the double garage to the side here, 3 reception rooms, and in a really lovely location. So without further ado, let me take you inside and let's give you a tour around. Just before showing you the inside, I just want to show you the front garden from the front door view. So it's quite a wide plot. You can see the hedge on the left hand side. There's all this lawn here and reaching across here with the drive to the double garage at the side. You can see we've got a pressed concrete pathway just here. And if I spin round, just want to show you before we go inside this very nice brick and flint finish that this property has. Very nicely finished. We've got a canopied entrance porch there, and let's now take you through the front door and into the hallway. So first of all, I'm just going to pan around to the right here because I'd like to show you the staircase. Turning staircase up to a galleried landing. So door on the left here takes you to the study. This one here is to the kitchen. Door ahead of me is the dining room, and then there we have a door taking you into the lounge. I'm just going to give you a view of the front door that I've just come through from this angle here. There's the front door, and again of the staircase. The chairlift you see there will be removed. So first of all, on the ground floor here, let's start with the WC. There's the low-level WC with a wash basin to one side. And then into the lounge. So front aspect window, it's got the Georgian bar, so it's a nice finish. Probably worth pointing out that we have quite a lot of furniture in here, which is a great demonstration that a lot will fit in. Let me just spin around here, show you the focal point, which is the fireplace there. That's one of these gas living flame effect fires. We've got sliding patio doors to the rear garden. I'm just going to turn around at this end of the room just to give you an idea from this angle. Nice size lounge, and back into the hallway. Let's show you the dining room next. That's this room here. Rear aspect window, plenty of space for dining table and chairs, as you can see. And then the study, which is at the front of the house, that's this one here. There's the front aspect window, you can see the radiator underneath. And then, not quite last but not least, on the ground floor, because we have a utility room as well, but this is the kitchen breakfast room. First of all, the sort of kitchen area there. You can see we've got this island unit, which in fact is a breakfast bar. Let me just step this side and turn around. There you can see 4 stools there. So in the kitchen area, we've got an integrated fridge freezer just here, built-in double oven, 4-ringed gas hob. There's space for a dishwasher there, and the sink unit under the rear window. Plenty of eye-level units. I'm going to turn around and show you more eye-level units there and a work surface. And then the breakfast area, which is this area here. We've got sliding patio doors on the right there into the garden, and more eye-level units. So the door here takes you into the utility room. So this is where the washing machine would live, as you can see. We've got a sink unit there. Window to the front, there's the gas-fired boiler. And then a door taking you directly onto the driveway. So that's the ground floor. Let's now take you upstairs and show you the first floor. We're on the landing to start with. You can see the half landing arched window, rather a nice feature. And the staircase there with the balustrades looking down into the hallway. It's quite a good size landing. On the right hand side here, this is the airing cupboard. And then let's start with the main bedroom. So in the main bedroom we've got a super king size bed sat there, so that shows you a little bit of an idea of the space this room has. I'm going to step into the room and just turn round. You'll notice I'm going to do this in every room, pointing out the built-in wardrobes. 2 doubles there, and on my right hand side through this door it's the ensuite. So we have a shower cubicle to my left hand side. Let me just step in, just show you the actual shower fittings. There you go, with a folding door, the pedestal wash basin, the low level WC. We do have a window in the shower. Sometimes you find it's just an extractor fan, but no, this is a proper window, and also half tiled walls. So just back onto the landing. Across the other side here we've got the second bedroom. This also has a double bed in situ with a bedside cabinet that's freestanding there. This one in the corner, this is a fitted one, but again I'm going to step in and turn around to show you double and single built-in wardrobes. Like I said, that's in every single bedroom, which you'll see. Across the other side of the landing, this is bedroom 3. 2 single beds there, so that demonstrates that a double bed will sit in this room comfortably. There's the front aspect window, and just spinning round just here, this is the built-in wardrobe. Finally, bedroom 4. Now with bedroom 4, this is a good size. Hopefully the camera view will show you a double bed will fit in this room. So for a 4th bed, it really is quite a good size. We've got a front aspect window, and then spinning around to show you the built-in wardrobe. Last but not least, upstairs here we have the family bathroom. There's the panel bath there with a shower attachment, low level WC, pedestal wash basin there, half tiled walls, and again a window which is of rear aspect. So that is the inside of this property. Let's now take you outside and I'll show you the rear garden. So first of all, the back of the house, you can see it's a very wide house. Archway there taking you through to where the garage door is, and also access to the front. You can see we have a very nice patio area. There's a pergola there, and I'm just going to turn around and just show you the rest of the garden. Lots of bushes, hedges, very pleasant. Worth pointing out the fact that we are on the sort of south/westerly side, so this garden should be a very sunny garden. In this little courtyard area, there's the sliding patio doors taking you into the breakfast area. Another little area in the corner where you can see we've got a shed tucked away there. There's the gate taking you to the front, and I'm just going to finish by showing you inside the garage, because this is a double width garage, really good size. You can see we've got a car there, plenty of room for a second car here, or obviously storage. 2 doors there opening to the front, and also we've got roof storage space here as well. So it's what we call a genuine double garage, one that would fit 2 cars. So one final view of the garden to finish the tour is here. So if you have any questions, do call the number on the website. My name is Gary. Alternatively, of course, it's the same number for you to arrange a viewing appointment. And thanks for watching.